Today, we are going to talk about the causes of typhoid. But you need to understand how we classify typhoid. It is always referred to as a waterborne disease because it is mostly spread through the process whereby people drink contaminated water. The water that has been contaminated by this parasite that cause typhoid. Previously, we were talking about how to classify the human diseases, and I said that there are three classifications that we are going to talk about. That is, diseases that are caused by bacteria, we call them bacterial diseases. Examples of those diseases are cholera, which is caused by a microorganism called Vibrio cholerae. We had looked at it. Another one that we are talking about now is called typhoid. That is also a bacterial disease caused by a microorganism called Salmonella typhi. Then the other classifications that we will look at later on are the protozoan diseases such as malaria, which is caused by Plasmodium parasite, and another one referred to as amoebic dysentery caused by a microorganism called Entamoeba histolytica. Those are protozoan diseases. But today we are looking at a bacterial disease called typhoid. Typhoid is caused by that microorganism that I've mentioned, Salmonella typhi, and this parasite can be available in the urine or the feces of an infected person, and therefore, if these feces are not properly disposed, then these parasites can be carried by the houseflies to the food that we eat, and we will be able to eat the food alongside this parasite. Alternatively, when this person drops these feces into water bodies such as rivers, ponds, dams, lakes, and many others, when we drink this water, the parasite may get into our biological system, hence we are infected by the disease. Remember, the healthy individual can only be able to contract the disease through drinking contaminated water. Contaminated water in this case, talking about the water comprising of these parasites in them. And sometimes this bacteria may also be present in sweat, saliva, and therefore clothes and beddings of the patients may also act as the source of infection to us. So we may be able to avoid such by ensuring that those beddings of patients are washed properly, and if possible, they should be fumigated to ensure that there is no possible chance of contamination. That is the end of lesson number 85, talking about the major cause of typhoid as a disease. Let me hope to meet you in the next lesson, whereby I'll be talking about prevention and treatment of this disease called typhoid. Bye.